Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then you should go to the System section, then go to the Backup Data, Google Server, enable Backup My Data. Then what you have to do is to add your backup account. Of course you'll need internet connection to do this. So here you have to enter your email or phone number, tap Next. Then you have to enter your password, tap Next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And tap Accept. And then turn on. And after that, this feature will be enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.